Hi, I'm Teryn and welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If you're new, I make a lot of skincare focused beauty content as well as fashion and life content. If that interests you, please be sure to check out my other videos, like this video, and subscribe. So I'm coming back to you guys with much more confidence after my twist out fail video. I had a feeling that that video would not end up the way that I wanted it to be, but I asked for advice and I got some really great advice. One of the comments that I got was from Kathleen, and she told me to check out Style Queen Beauty on Instagram for twist out tips and inspiration. And I went and followed her on TikTok to just see like all like the videos, and great. Amazing. I'm so excited. Like when I was going through Style Queen Beauty's page, I saw that she does a lot of flat twists, and I was just like, oh my gosh.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
I used to do twist out a lot, especially when I was kind of new on this natural hair journey, and I kind of fell off of it, but I was like, they're just so like, I just love flat twist out. They're so beautiful and gorgeous. So thank you so much for that comment, Kathleen. Super appreciative of that. And I'm gonna get started with this video. So I'm going to try out a flat twist out on my curl cuts. I'm gonna be going in with the same products as last time. I'm gonna be using the Doux Mousse Depth Texture Foam. I have this bottle that's completely new, and then I have this, it's like my other bottle, just in case, because I'm definitely gonna add more. That was a good recommendation that a lot of people gave me in the comments. I remembered to bring my water bottle over. I left it last time for the video. And I am gonna part my hair. I got my little comb pack. I think I wanna try a middle part. I have a widow's peak, so sometimes a middle part, I don't know. Some people are so like iffy about middle parts when it comes to widow's peaks, but I kinda like it, or I do like it. I have some clips. I have 4 with me. I have a lot more, but I honestly think like sometimes they'll be in my car, they'll be in one of my bags. They just go through life with me at this point. I'm fresh out of the shower, but of course like setting this up and everything, my hair started to dry a bit, so I'm just gonna part it down the middle. And see what I was talking about with this widow's peak? So it's like you kind of give one side a little bit extra. Like this isn't a perfect part, but it's a part. It's separated. I'm just gonna clip like this big section out the way. And what I am gonna do is, I mentioned this in the last video, but I didn't really show it because it was a fail. When it comes to like the shorter part of my hair, I'm gonna part it like horizontally that way and flat twist it down. I'm gonna spray this with some water first. And I'm not expecting this to be like the perfect tutorial. Honestly, you just gotta try until you get it. So a flat twist out, I haven't done this in probably years at this point. Yeah, I'm taking this foam. I'm definitely gonna apply more. And I forgot to mention, but I do have my Felicia Leaherwood Detangler brush with me to smooth out any tangles. It's like pretty decent. Okay, so when it comes to a flat twist out, you basically split it into 2, and then you twist over, take some from the next bottom row, and then you twist over. Like honestly, this is not gonna be pretty at first. And I saw one where she kind of like took it from like the back of the head down. I'm probably in over my head when it comes to this, but we shall see. Look at all that product. Yes. I have no idea how this will end up, but I like it being a little bit more taunt at the roots. It's not tight, but like it's not as puffy. And then with the South Carolina humidity and heat, oof, oof. If you twist toward your hairline, like your front hairline, then your hair will fall on your face. And if you twist away from it, your hair will fall away from your face. So I really like spraying my hair with the water before I apply the mousse. I think it's definitely making a difference. Taking the section at the top of my strand, or the section of my hair, and then you split it into two. I took what's in my right hand and I twist it under. And I'm gonna take more in my right hand and twist it under. And then I'm gonna, like, you take some more in your right and left hands, but whatever you're taking in your right hand, you twist it under. And I know I'm gonna get better at this because like this side is taking a lot less time than this side did. Like, you know, and then the thing is, like, as you're doing this, you're getting practice with a bunch of twists. So, and who knows, this might actually be like a good turnout. Like, I have a feeling this will be a good turnout. Not to jinx myself, but shout out to Kat for that comment. This is so much better. Like, and it's definitely taking me longer than like just a regular twist, but honestly, spending time on your hair sometimes can be more peaceful. And it's the fact that this will have taken me 35 minutes, and then sitting under the dryer will probably take me like maybe 30 minutes to an hour. But like, it's been so warm lately that I could just let this air dry. I am going to sit under the dryer for at least 30 minutes just to get it to set in a way that will hopefully reduce the amount of frizz. I have some excess product. I'm just gonna smooth it onto these twists. Super excited to see how this looks when I take it out. I'm gonna show you guys the back. Hopefully it's not blurry. Yep, and I'm just gonna kind of clip it away because I do have acne prone skin, and I'm gonna wash my face, you know, like after I finish styling my hair. And that way, like as I'm sitting under the dryer, this can help like the roots kind of smooth out a bit. I like this. Thank you so much to everyone that left me so many comments. Like, this was so helpful. I'm gonna go sit underneath the dryer. Okay, so I'm getting ready to take this down. This is how I slept with it. I just put on, you know, like one of these scarves to sleep. So I'm excited to see how this will look. And I like to kind of like twist it in the opposite direction to kind of break up the twist. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Oh, this is adorable. Oh, I feel like I'm like reaching here because I was like, I know, like I was like, I feel something is lost up in here. So I will say, like, I still have a little bit of that stickiness from the foam, but it's not really that bad at all. It's like really only on the fingers that I use to separate the twist, but like not too much on my hair. I don't know. I really think this is cute. I'm gonna go out into the sunlight so you can see it better. But honestly, this is so cute. Like, I'm so appreciative of all the comments that you guys left me. I like thank y'all so much. I'm really happy that I was still able to achieve a simple twist out routine, a flat twist out routine with just one product and some water. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what style you would like to see me try next. As always, please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Thank you again. So yeah, this is cute. I love it. Like, this is adorable.